A part on a commercially available engine fails, further damaging that engine. It sounds like a product's liability case, right? The United States Supreme Court considers whether that notion holds water in East River Steamship Corporation versus Transamerica Delaval Incorporated. In the early 1970s, Transamerica Delaval designed, manufactured, and installed turbine engines in 4 new supertankers. When the ships were completed, their owner then chartered each tanker to a different operator. The East River Steamship Corporation chartered one of them. After the tankers entered service, parts on the turbine engines began failing at sea, damaging the turbines. Delaval replaced parts and repaired damaged engines, but repairs were costly and time-consuming. The failing turbines didn't injure anyone or cause damage to any property other than the turbines themselves. East River and the other charterers sued Delaval in federal court, invoking its admiralty jurisdiction. The limitations period on contract claims had already run, so East River alleged products liability. East River claimed damages, including repair costs and lost profits. The district court granted summary judgment to Delaval, and the en banc Third Circuit affirmed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.